Mastering the importance of training in workplace health and safety. Proper training empowers employees to dodge death and disaster daily. When employees receive adequate training on workplace health and safety, what are the most common hazards that they can effectively prevent or mitigate in their daily operations to ensure a safe and healthy work environment? Adequate training on workplace health and safety is crucial for employees to effectively prevent or mitigate various hazards in their daily operations, thereby ensuring a safe and healthy work environment. With proper training, employees can identify and control hazards related to manual handling, ergonomics, fire safety, electrical safety, chemical handling, and other occupational health and safety risks. One of the most common hazards that employees can effectively prevent or mitigate is manual handling injuries. These injuries occur when employees lift, push, or pull heavy loads, often resulting in musculoskeletal disorders. Trained employees can identify hazardous manual handling tasks, assess the risks, and implement control measures such as using mechanical aids, adjusting workstations, and lifting techniques to reduce the risk of injury. Ergonomic hazards are another common concern in the workplace. Trained employees can identify and mitigate ergonomic risks by adjusting workstations, using ergonomic tools and equipment, and taking regular breaks to reduce the risk of musculoskeletal disorders and other health problems. They can also implement ergonomic principles to design tasks and workspaces that minimize the risk of injury and illness. Fire safety is a critical aspect of workplace health and safety. Trained employees can identify fire hazards, understand firefighting procedures, and evacuate the premises safely in the event of a fire. They can also participate in regular fire drills, ensure that fire extinguishers are readily available and accessible, and report any fire hazards or concerns to management. Electrical safety is another crucial area where trained employees can make a significant impact. They can identify electrical hazards, understand lockout/tagout procedures, and use personal protective equipment, PPE, to prevent electrical shocks and arc flash injuries. Trained employees can also ensure that electrical equipment is properly maintained, inspected, and tested, and that electrical cords and cables are inspected regularly for damage or wear. The handling and management of hazardous chemicals is a significant concern in many workplaces. Trained employees can identify chemical hazards, understand the safe handling and storage procedures, and use PPE to prevent exposure to hazardous substances. They can also implement spill response procedures, participate in regular chemical safety training, and ensure that chemical inventory is properly maintained and up to date. Slips, trips, and falls, STFs, are a common cause of workplace injuries. Trained employees can identify STF hazards, implement housekeeping procedures to keep walkways and work areas clean and tidy, and install handrails and other safety features to prevent falls. They can also wear footwear with good traction, use lighting to illuminate dark areas, and install non-slip mats and coatings to reduce the risk of STFs. Trained employees can also effectively prevent or mitigate workplace violence, which can take many forms, including physical and verbal abuse, bullying, and harassment. They can identify warning signs of workplace violence, understand crisis management procedures, and implement strategies to prevent and respond to workplace violence incidents. In addition to these common hazards, trained employees can also identify and mitigate other occupational health and safety risks, such as noise, vibration, and radiation hazards. They can participate in risk assessments, implement control measures, and monitor the effectiveness of these measures to ensure a safe and healthy work environment. In conclusion, adequate training on workplace health and safety is essential for employees to effectively prevent or mitigate various hazards in their daily operations. By identifying and controlling hazards related to manual handling, ergonomics, fire safety, electrical safety, chemical handling, and other occupational health and safety risks, employees can significantly reduce the risk of injury and illness and ensure a safe and healthy work environment.